matakbo, then may kotse, baka may maaksidente. So, we're really prepared for this race na safety lahat. Yan ang importante, safety sa lahat ng mga runners.
So, ano yan, nakapag-coordinate with the city government dahil alam ko nakakausap ko yung sa some race organizers kamukha ni Eric Imperio. Ang alam ko unang-una nga kamukha ng sinabi mo, pinaka-importante talaga always race organizers yung safety. So did you coordinate with the city government, with the traffic management siguro?
Yes, we've coordinated already with the Skyway Group. We've also coordinated with the local police of Makati, MAPSA, MMDA na in certain strategic areas na roads and intersections kagaya ng Buendia, sa Kalayaan, may nakabantay na dyan na police at mag-aayos sa mga kotse. So we'll tell them to take a different route, o kung may dumadaan na runners, mag-stop muna sila para pagbigyan itong mga runners. So everything will be very well organized. We'll make sure that all the runners are safe. There'll be markers, there will be cones para talagang hindi masagabal ang mga runners. At the same time, the motorists will also not have a hard time going to where they want to go. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
Oo nga, kasi malaking distance, and then yun nga, Skyway ang ang dinaanan nyo. Meron ba kayong age limit dito sa race niyo? Do you have to be so and so old? Meron bang age limit sa taas na hanggang 70 lang yung gano'n?
No, there is no age limit. But of course, if 18 years old and below ka, you have to get your parents to sign the waiver. No, that's very important.
How about 80 years old ka?
Pwede, basta you
kaya mo tumakbo.
In practice, any age they can run the race. In fact, there are very old runners already, mga 69, 70, who are still joining the race. Malakas pa sila. In fact, I'm surprised, mas malakas pa silang tumakbo kaysa mga mabata. No, but we always tell the runners, you have to be ready for the race. Hindi lang basta pwede, tatakbo na lang ako, okay lang. Hindi. Dapat may konting practice. If you're
di ba? Paghahandaan mo talaga, di ba?
Ihanda mo yan. Then if you have some ailments or whatever, you should get a clearance from your doctor. Because joining a long distance race, hindi to biro, no? Talagang it could affect your health if you are not ready. So very important na you're in good health.
At saka yung I think yung sa healthy lifestyle talaga ng running, actually, siguro lalong hahaba ang buhay mo. Have you seen, ano yung pinakamatatandang runners na nakita mo na merong 70s na tumatakbo, meron pa bang 80s talaga na nakakatakbo? I've heard na meron talaga. Have you seen them na talaga na tumakbo?
I've seen a few local na Filipino runners na 70, 75, and I'm very surprised. They look still very good. I think because healthy lifestyle, they eat properly, they don't smoke, and they sleep early. I'm very surprised that there's still a lot of old runners. Pag sinabi kong old, mga 70 and above.
And above. So, ano yung oldest na nadinig mo na have you seen na tumakbo talaga?
I think I've seen a few mga 75 years old. Pero malakas pa sila. At nakikita mo sa mga mukha nila na determinadong makasali, makatapos. Yan ang maganda dyan na it inspires us mga bata. Pero hindi na ako masyadong bata, no? Na-inspire ka na kung kaya nila, bakit hindi ko kaya? Yan ang importante.
Siguro sa mga tagapakinig natin, maraming ganado na talaga. So siguro sabihin mo sa amin, how do I register ngayon? So I think na close na ako ng online registration. So paano akong magre-register?
Okay, the online registration closes today. But you can still register up to January 31. Pupunta kayo sa Condura Skyway Marathon booth dyan sa may Greenbelt 3 sa harap ng ASICS Running Store. If you want to find out more details, you log into our website. That's www.conduraskyway.marathon.com. Lahat ng lahat ng katanungan nyo, all your questions, and so isasagot namin dyan. Ang rota, saan ilalagay mga baggage nyo, nasaan ang water, lahat. lahat ng questions masasagot ng website namin.
Pero hindi ba, when you organize a race, there's only, para kumbaga, nakahanda ka sa ganitong dami lang ng participants. Meron ka bang limit ng sasali dun sa race mo, at saka ilan na ba so far nakasali, kumbaga naka-register na?
Okay. The Condura Marathon started the year 2008. Nung nag-umpisa kami, we only had 2,500 runners. Nung 2009, we had about 5,000 runners. For 2010, we got to 8,500 runners. Ngayon, for this 2011, we're looking at 12 to 15,000 runners. So that's doble ang our expected runners to join. As of yesterday, ang naka-register already is about 9,500. So we still have at least a week, at least more than a week more for regular registration. So sa tingin ko aabot namin yan, ang at least 12,000 more runners.
So pinag-uusapan na rin natin, so para sa mga tagapakinig natin, magkano yan, registration fee ba para sumali ba? Kung sasali na ako, magkano yung registration fee ko?
Okay, for the registration fee, if you are joining the 42K, the registration fee is 1,250. If you're joining the 21K, it's 1,150. If you're joining the 16K, it is 1,050. If you're joining the 10K, it's 950. If you're joining the 5K, it's 750. And if you're joining the 3K, it's 550.
And tandaan natin sa ating mga tagapakinig, actually magbe-benefit yung kumbaga merong advocacy sila, Patrick, na magbe-benefit dun sa registration fee na ibibigay ninyo. Patrick, I know na every runner gets something dun sa race na to, di ba? Pinag-usapan natin, anong unique sa inyo na every runner gets something sa
Okay. Aside from, of course, the freebies, when we say freebies, it's mga goodie bags pag matapos ang race, what I'd like to tell every runner, if you are first kang natapos or panghuli ka, all runners will get a medal. So,
sana nadala mo yung sample ng medal. Nadala mo ba? Yes, sige, okay. So, pakita natin. Pakita natin ang medal.
Here's sa sample of the 42K medal.
Yeah, so yun ang camera natin.
Malaki.
So, malaki siya. Magandang suotin, magandang i-display yan.
Then here's a sample of this is the 10K medal na medyo mas maliit. So,
pag sumali ka or pag nag-finish ka?
Pag mag-finish ka, may medal ka.
Kailangan mag-finish naman.
So, ang maganda dyan is, nung grade school ka, sa eskwelahan, hindi ka nakaka-medal dahil panay zero ang exam mo, at least yan, masasabi mo, may medal ka. So, this is very nice. No? We made sure, my brother and I, na talagang pinagawa namin to, na all runners, when they finish, they can display it in their house and make it yabang.
Ang ganda nga, may design ng dolphin, may signage ng dolphin sa So, talagang something worth aspiring for, di ba? Kumbaga.
Thank you.
At hindi lang yan, di ba? Meron pang special edition dolphin shirt. Pakita mo naman yung design ng shirt ninyo na I think ito hindi na kailangan mag-finish. Sumali ka lang, pwede na, di ba?
Here's the sample of the dolphin shirts. Pag sumali ka, you automatically get a running shirt. This is what we call dry fit material. Ito ay new technology. Ibig ko sabihin, kung ikaw ay runner, pag sinuot mo ito, ang pawis mo lumalabas. Hindi kagaya dati ang mga
nakasabit dito kumbaga basang-basa yung suit mo, di ba? Narado mo, ang bigat, di ba?
Bigat-bigat sabay dumidikit. Itong material na tinatawag na dry fit na new technology na ang pawis mo lumalabas kaya magaang pa rin. Maganda.
I think ganun yung mga NBA di ba? NBA uniforms, ganyan yung ginagamit na para dry fit tsaka comfortable at tsaka cool palagi, di ba?
Cool parati, yes. Yes.
At hindi lang dyan kumbaga na ibang technology, I think meron din kayong gagamitin to ensure na meron kayong accurate at saka ensure faster, accurate timing dun sa mga tumatakbo ninyo, di ba?
Yes, we have what we call the day tag system where pag mag-register ka, may makukuha kang itong race bib number. Itong race bib number.
Ito ilalagay ito sa shirt ito. Ito.
Itong ididikit sa shirt na yan. Pagkuha mo, itong nakadikit dito sa race bid na tatanggalin nyo lang. Then with this one, pipilas mo ito. Then this strip is what we call the D-tag system. Ito ilalagay mo sa shoelace mo sa sapatos. This will ensure accurate start-finish time and finish time also.